let's take a look at the Emails tab. At the top, you can select the date and time period you would like to look at using the date adjuster. Down below, we have a graph in plain grid of the user's history of incoming and outgoing emails. The blue line graph represents outgoing emails, and the orange line graph represents incoming emails. This is helpful should you notice a day that the employee sends out or receives a lot of emails and want to investigate that specific day. Down below, we have a plain grid with a historical log of the emails that the employee has sent and received. You will be able to see the date and time that the emails were sent or received, the computer that the employee was using, the sender and the receiver of the email, if there were any attachments included, and the ability to see the subject and body of the email. You can also check out these icons here on the left. The paper plane icon represents an outgoing email, and the box icon represents an incoming email. We also have these icons here that represent the application or website the employee used to send or receive the email. To the right of that, we have the envelope icon. If we click this, we will be able to see the exact email that was sent as well as any attachments above. You can also save these individual emails as a PDF or print on command. You can click the camera icon to activate the session player. This will allow us to see a recording of when the email was opened, if it was received, or the exact time that the email was sent. On the top, we have the incoming and outgoing email dropdown. This is helpful if you want to search for strictly incoming or outgoing emails. Right of that, we have the clients dropdown. This is helpful if you want to search for the specific website or application the employee was using to send their emails. This is great if you want to search for only emails that were sent or received using your company's email application. Next, we can click the paperclip icon in order to see any emails that were sent with attachments down here. We can also click on the attachments if we want to download a copy for later investigation. At the top, we can click the search bar if you want to search for a specific name or word that was mentioned within the email. To the right of that, we have the export buttons. We can click either of these if we want to export the information we see on the plain grid below for reporting or investigative purposes. We also have the gear icon if we want to customize the columns that we see in the plain grid below. Finally, we have the refresh button to refresh the page after any changes have been made.